everyone! Snowball the bunny and I are so happy to see you today. Hello bunnies, how are you? How are you? Happy to be with you, happy to be with you. Let's begin, let's begin. Would you like to blow a kiss to Snowball the bunny? Mwah! Thank you. And now, are you ready for our snowball rhyme? Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, 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 you're so funny from your head to your toes. Bunny, 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 your ears are funny. They're too big for you. Bunny, 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 you're so funny. Everyone loves you. Very good, everyone. Well, it might not look like it right now with snow on the ground, but spring is coming. Spring is one of our 4 seasons, and the flowers will start to grow. We will have more hours of daylight. The temperatures will be warmer, and animals who have been keeping warm in their homes will start coming outside more. Let's meet some of the animals who will be coming outside more once the weather gets warmer. All of these creatures are creatures you may see in your yard or in the park. Are you ready? This first creature is very common and can climb way up high in the trees. This creature likes to eat nuts. Where is Squirrel? Where is Squirrel? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Good job. The next creature is similar to a squirrel. This creature has a stripe on its back. It's a little smaller than a squirrel. Can you guess it? Where is Chipmunk? Where is Chipmunk? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Good job. This animal has a very hard shell, and that keeps it safe when it needs some protection. And they usually are near water. Are you ready to see it? Here we go. Where is Turtle? Where is Turtle? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Good job. The next animal is Snowball's wild cousin. There are a lot of these animals in my yard. They have long ears and a little cotton tail. Are you ready? Where is Rabbit? Where is Rabbit? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Good job. Now this creature will be out once there are a lot of flowers for it to get food from. And this one has wings, and the wings are often very, very beautiful. Do you know what it is? Where is butterfly? Where is butterfly? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, I thank you. Fly away. Fly away. Good. Now this creature also has wings. These birds are very common around here, and they make a sound like this. Where is Sparrow? Where is Sparrow? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, I thank you. Fly away. Fly away. Very good. I do hope you see some of these animals in your yard or in the park. Next, we're going to sing a song about spring. And this one also has to do with the birds. So I'd like you to make wings and fly like a bird. Flap your wings. If there's enough room around you, you can extend your wings all the way and flap them like this. The birds in the song will be building a nest, and they do that by weaving together twigs and sticks. Can you do this with your hands? Weave the fingers together, over, under, over, under, over, under. Try it again. Weave your fingers. Good job. In the song, the flowers will be growing. So pretend your hands are flowers opening to the sun, just like that. Very good. In the last verse, we will use our senses to enjoy all the things about spring. So you can look around, you can listen, you can smell the beautiful flowers. Are you ready? Spring is coming, birdies build your nest. Weave together straw and feather, each one doing your best. Each one doing your best. Spring is coming, flowers are waking too. Violets, lilies, daffodils, all are coming through. All are coming through. Spring is coming, all around is fair. Shimmer, glimmer on the river, joy is everywhere. Joy is everywhere. Nicely done, everyone. The pictures you saw while we were singing are from 3 books about spring. The first one was from One Whole Bunch by Mary Meyer and Sarah Gillingham. That was the picture of the violets. This book has pictures of so many beautiful flowers. The second book is Annie and Snowball and the Cozy Nest. This is by Cynthia Ryland, illustrated by Susie Stevenson. And that was the picture of the birds building their nests. The last one was one of my favorite spring books, When Spring Comes by Kevin Henkes, illustrated by Laura Dronzek. And I showed you the picture of 2 children enjoying the many things of spring. There are the birds in the nest, and one of the parent birds bringing some food back to the nest. There's a dog, butterfly, kittens, and a bumblebee, and all the beautiful flowers. Now it's going to take a while before the flowers grow outside. I'm going to show you how to make a flower out of paper plates. You will need 4 paper plates. White works best, but you can use any color that you happen to have. You can use 2 big plates and 2 little plates, or you can use all the same size because we will be cutting them. Have a grown-up help you to cut petal shapes in the flowers. Just make sure that you have 4 sizes, from biggest to littlest. Then have fun painting them or coloring them with crayons. Make them fun and colorful. When they are thoroughly dry, take something round like the eraser tip of a pencil and make some dots on the smallest flower. Those are the anthers. Then glue them all together. Biggest, next smallest, and the smallest at the very top. And when you're done, you will have a beautiful flower like this. A colorful flower. I understand that students from ECEC are watching us today. Snowball and I would like to say hello and goodbye to children in the butterfly, daisy, guppy, ladybug, panda, and turtle rooms. Did you notice that those classrooms are all named after animals, birds, or insects? And in fact, we sang about 2 of them today. Well, thank you for watching, and thank you to all the friends joining us today. Snowball and I are so happy you're here. Goodbye, bunnies, goodbye, bunnies. See you soon, see you soon. Thanks for being with us, thanks for being with us. Come back soon, come back soon. Goodbye, everyone.